This is the one on 215 Barton C. This is the living room. I have a ceiling fan in here, / dining room area. But it can really be used for whatever you want since it's being your home. At the window. It's a pretty quiet neighborhood too. Another window here. Kitchen area. Stove, fridge, freezer, utility closet. This one is a 1 bed, 1 bath. Yeah. Fan. Has a walk-in closet. It's a pretty nice size walk-in closet. And it also has some racks. Now that AC feels nice in here. AC really works well in here. It's the bathroom, sink, tub, shower, toilet. And that's the place. Like I said, the neighborhood's pretty quiet. It's a pretty nice neighborhood. It's a pretty nice neighborhood.